In this video, I will show you how to get an Oyster card in London, UK in 2025. So in order to get it, first things first, you can see in here that we have in here the link for the Oyster card that you can purchase. They have contactless as well as Oyster. So in here, I have in here this document that can help us. So in order to obtain an Oyster card in London, you have several convenient options. You can purchase this from stations and ticket shops. You can purchase it on the Underground or Tube, as well as London Overground and Elizabeth Line stations. Many news agents and local shops across London, known as Oyster Ticket Shop, offer these cards as well. You can visit Britain plus free transport for London plus free transport for London plus. So as you can see, you can just click onto this get new cards under the Oyster option right here and you should be able to have your Oyster card ready. Other option is you can actually buy it online. If you're a UK resident, you can order a Oyster card online through the official Transportation for London website, which we have in here earlier. Now, in there, you can also visit in-person assistance. Oyster cards are available at TFL's visitor centers located at key transport hubs and popular tourist areas. So the cost for the standard Oyster requires payment of £7, which is non-refundable. So you can visit those shops in order to obtain your card. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.